Hi guys, I'm gonna talk about the custom kickstand here. As this bike is quite heavy, an usual kickstand wouldn't keep the bike standing for very long. I have found a cheap model online and I have an easy and simple solution using a screw as a pin blocker. As the material and tools, I use 2 screws and a pillar drilling machine. It can be done with any kind of driller machine you have at home. As you can see in the animation, the hole is going through both platforms. I'm using a 6mm drill. I removed the screw threads to make it easier to put in and out. I used 2 split rings and a small stripe to hold the pin in place while riding the bike. I've been using this bike for about 3 years and it never fell. It is very strong. The only things that you must keep in mind to always remove the pin before riding. Well, that's all guys. It's easy and simple. I hope it will be useful for you. Share your thoughts below and let me know if you have any other question. Thanks for watching. Cheers!